See this, guys, people all over the world, how they are earning money by just watching videos. Do you want to know how they are actually earning a good amount of money? Just follow along this video and I'll show you guys step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money by just watching videos, guys. Yes, by just watching videos you are getting paid for that. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just shorten your link. And guys, you can earn a good amount of money by just clicking. You can get a good amount of money by just watching videos. Okay, people are actually watching your videos and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so how we can able to earn? You can see the payout rates of this website, guys. You can analyze it. You can see this $26, $13. Okay, actually how much people are actually earning a single day from all over the country. Whatever country you belong to, guys, whatever country you are belonging to, you can able to earn a good amount of money from this website. You can see this, guys, people all over the world are actually earning a good amount of money. You can see this. Okay, so how can we eventually do these kind of things? How can we actually create a account on this website and how to earn money? Okay, so don't worry guys, I'll just show you how to do it step by step. Okay, just you need to click on this sign up button. Okay, and you just need to enter your credentials. Okay, so I quickly do it, guys. Okay, so I just quickly enter my password. Okay, and I'm not a robot, and agree to these terms and conditions and click on this join button. And you can see this, guys, my browser is checking and you are good to go. You can see this, guys. Okay, thanks for signing up. Now you can log in. Okay guys, I just need to log in this. Okay, so you just come up here, guys, and you just need to enter your email and password. So I just quickly do it and enter my password and just click on this login button. You can see this, guys. So you are in this website, guys. You can see this. Okay, you are in this website, and what you need to do, guys, now you ask me a question that, sir, how can we earn a money from this website? Okay, so just come up here, guys. You just need to come up here on this YouTube. Okay, you just need to come up here in this YouTube and you just need to type here healthy, okay, breakfast ideas. Okay, healthy breakfast ideas. Okay, so these are certain healthy breakfast videos that you can see, guys. Okay, if I just select one of these, okay, if I just select one of these, okay, and what I need to do, guys, is to just pause this video and just click on this share button. Okay, you just need to click on this share button, and what you need to do, guys, you just need to copy this link. Okay, you see this, you just need to copy this link. Okay, and what you need to do is to just copy this link. Okay, and you just need to come up here, guys. Okay, and just click paste it. Okay, and just click on this shrink. Okay, and you can see this, guys, this is our URL, shortening URL. You can see this is our shortening URL. So we just need to copy this. Okay, so where to post this link, guys? Where to post this link? So just come up here in this new website, which is bodybuilding forum. Okay, so this forum, you can see this, guys, how much people are actually coming up here and started earning money. You can see this, guys, per 1,000 views, people from United States are earning $12 per 1,000 views. And you can see this, how much people are there. So guys, per 1,000 views, $12. I just need to calculate it. Okay, I just need to click on this calculator and you can see this, guys. Okay, an online calculator. I just need to do some calculation part, and you can see this, guys, per 1,000 views I'm having this much. And you can see this, how much people are actually coming on this website. There are approximately 11 million people, but how many are active? Okay, you can see this, guys. I just need to copy this number and just click just paste it. Okay, what it is, 698. Okay, 698 is the number, and for per 1,000 views you are earning $12. You can see this, guys, $8,076, $376 in your pocket by just posting your link on this forum. Okay, so you can able to earn this much amount of money from this website, guys. You can see this. You just need to post it. Okay, you just need to create an account, and you can see this, guys. They are actually what they are doing. They are just need to give the supplements detail. Okay, what supplements they should use. So you can suggest this these supplements to this website. Okay, and another thing you can use, guys. Okay, so guys, you are just come up here in this Google account. Okay, so what you can do, okay, what you can do is to just copy this title. Okay, just copy this title. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you just need to paste your link here. You can see this. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just highlight it and just click on this button. Okay, guys, this is backlink. Okay, so what you can do, guys, this is your link. Okay, just need to copy this and you just need to paste your link here. Okay, just click on this apply, and whomever just come up here and just try to click this link, and they are redirected to this page. Okay, YouTube link. Okay, so you are getting paid for that. So this is a great website, guys, where you can earn hundreds and hundreds of money. Okay, you can able to earn good amount of money by just clicking. Okay, by just people just click on your link and you are getting paid for that. It's absolutely free of cost, guys. You cannot you do not need to do anything. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. You can just see your account info on this website, guys. Okay, so you just need to enter your name, address, city, zip code, country. Okay, whatever country you are belonging to, you are compatible with. And guys, the payment you receive is with PayPal money. Okay, PayPal money is the best way to earn. Okay, you just need to update your account and you are good to go. Okay, guys, you can even change it, and you can see this, guys, you are getting paid a good amount of money from this website. Okay, it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay, if you want to create more reach of your URL, you can do one thing, guys. Just come up here in this Pinterest. Okay, just come up here in this Pinterest and you can create a pin of your you can see this, you can create a pin. And what you need to do, guys, you just create a pin. You just need to add a photo of healthy food. Okay, healthy food. What you need to do, healthy food, you just need to type healthy food. Okay, so you can just download it and just paste a link here. Okay, give a description of this website. You can see this, guys, and you are good to go. Okay, so it's the best way that you can utilize your time and you are getting paid this much amount of money, guys. Okay, so just go now and started earning money so that your income will be generated fast. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. And guys, if you have any doubts, you can write down on the comment section so that I can able to know my audience, who they are, and I will help them to grow more, okay, on this platform, so that they can also earn money, a good amount of, by working from home. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.